Namaste and welcome to Bhartiye Products. Ready to say goodbye to frustrating, uneven pipe bends? Embrace the future with the power of the semi-automatic hydraulic pipe bending machine. This revolutionary tool takes the grunt work out of pipe forming, offering effortless precision and efficiency for plumbers, DIYers, and metal fabricators alike. Imagine effortlessly achieving perfect bends, even complex shapes, without straining your muscles or wasting materials. This machine handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on creativity and getting the job done faster. Whether you're tackling intricate plumbing projects or crafting custom metal furniture, the semi-automatic hydraulic pipe bending machine delivers unparalleled control and consistency. Forget the days of inconsistent curves and wasted pipes. This machine boasts user-friendly controls, diverse bending capacities and angles, and a robust build for peace of mind. It's the game changer that professionals rely on and DIY enthusiasts adore. Ready to experience the bending revolution? Take control of your next project with the semi-automatic hydraulic pipe bending machine. Visit our website for more information and discover how this versatile tool can transform your pipe forming experience. If you like our machine, so contact us and also visit our website for more related products.